And what we know is that if you actually choose higher quality fuel for your body, it's actually going to be a lot better for you in the long run.
Dr. Lee, what are the misconceptions when it comes to the topic of metabolism?
Well, I love the fact that you are inviting me to myth bust, because there's so much myth when it comes to weight loss and metabolism. And everyone thinks they know a lot about metabolism, but there are a lot of myths about it that everyone needs to find out, because we've all heard of them, right?
Yeah.
So you basically say, well, everyone's metabolism is different.
Yes.
It's the roll of the dice. My sister's skinny as a stick and she can eat anything. And I've been fighting with weight my whole life and I have to be careful with food. That's one myth or one idea.
Well, hold on. Let me just stop you right there.
Yeah.
So are you saying, Dr. Lee, that it's not true that everybody's metabolism is different?
True.
What?
Not true. We're all born with the same metabolism because our metabolism is like the operating system of a computer. So, Mel, if you went to the computer store and I went to a different computer store, we bought the same model of laptop. Out of the box, plug it in, charge it up, start it. Operating system would be the same. You hear the same sound, and then the screen would come on the same way. That's how we're born. We're born with the same kidneys, the same eyesight, the same brain function, the same ability to move our tongue. What makes us think metabolism is different?
Well, I guess because I've just always thought that some people have a metabolism that's faster and some people have a metabolism that's slower. And is that true?
It's not true. So, let's come back and talk about that myth based on a research study that was done. So that's one myth.
Okay.
The second myth is that when you've got teenagers and they are growing up and they're eating 2 or 3 dinners and bouncing off the walls, you're thinking that in their adolescence, their metabolism is going sky high.
Yes.
Right? Because they're feeding themselves, they're packed with energy. That's also a myth. Not true.
You're kidding. I remember my mom saying to me when I was a teenager, oh, you better enjoy that, hamburger now because it's going to not be, you're not going to be able to eat like that when you get older. And I've said that to my kids. That's not true?
Not true. Third thing, that's a myth. We all think that when we reach middle age, 40, 50 and beyond, our metabolism is going to automatically slow down. And we all dread that kind of portion of our lives where we're saying, you know what, I'm not going to fit in these clothes anymore. I just got to get used to it. You look at other people and you go, well, they must be entering their middle age. And you sort of just have this culture of like giving up with your former body relationship.
Yeah.
And you're like, my metabolism's shot now. I'm going to gain weight. I'm not going to fit into the clothes anymore. Also a myth. The fourth myth is that when our metabolism is slow, that's why we gain body fat.
Okay.
Not true.